Oh wow, this is the Indian train, and now you stay in
They're
Panikhati.
showing the print flag. They're
Oh,
showing.
they are showing not. There is no passenger in the train.
No, no, there is no passenger.
Why?
Only goods of the passenger here.
Only
Because
goods.
it's not a passenger train. Why are you supposed to be stay here?
So nice, really. This is a big train. There are many bogies in the train. And this is the Indian train actually. And that this is the station.
Yes, nice.
Yes, friend, tell me something about something
About this station.
about this station.
Yes, actually it is a local station and not all the trains actually give a stop here. But some of the trains like the local trains do this. But some days ago when I came to the Guwahati from Agartala, so actually personally my train didn't stop here. Okay, so it's the case. But this station is quite good and very calm. So I just like this station.
Oh, so thank you, brother.
Yes, my pleasure.
So